Hello students, I hope everybody is fine. Students, today I'm going to explain you direct and indirect speech, okay, of your English grammar, and it's a very important topic which is going to be repeated as a part of syllabus of 9th standard, 10th standard, so understand carefully. So direct and indirect speech is also called narration, you should know. And narration means the way to narrate anything, how we narrate anything to other. Okay, for example, two people are talking to each other, and of them one person goes to another and tells the thing. How he will tell, that is called narration. For example, you ask for any work and I tell you to ask your friend, okay, and you asked your friend about the work, but he said now I am busy. Same thing you want to tell me, you want to narrate to me. What you will say? Now I am busy? Never. You will say he or she is busy. Okay, you will make some changes. You will tell the thing, you will narrate the thing in your wording, how your friend told. Okay, so that is called narration. For example, there is one line, she says to me, I am busy. Okay, so how will narrate this to other? She tells me, says to is changed into tells me that I am busy. Who is busy here? She. So what will say? She is busy. This is called narration. Okay, and the exact dialogue of anybody is called direct speech, and when we change it into our wording to narrate it to somebody, that is called indirect speech. Okay, you should know. And it is all about changing direct into indirect speech. In this topic we'll be changing direct speech into indirect speech. So how to change? You must know some rules. First of all, you should know the word which reports the verb, which tells us about the time when somebody is reported, but the time when something is told, that is called a reported verb. She says to me. Says word is given, it means anything which is said here, that is said in present. Okay, and after comma, inverted comma, what is a dialogue of anybody, what he or she says, that is called reported speech. First of all, we'll discuss rules of reported verb, and then we'll go with rules of reported speech. Rules of reported verb: if there is say to, you will change it into tell. If there is says to, change it into tells. Saying to is changed into telling, and if there is said to, that will be changed into told. Okay, in place of comma, inverted comma, you will add both parts, replacing comma, inverted comma with the that. Okay, now rules of reported speech. Here in reported speech, in place of I wrote she. So how to change the persons? First of all, this is the main change. For that, you will use the formula SON by 1, 2, 3. SON by 1, 2, 3. S is called subject, O is object, and N is no change. What is subject? Who is saying something? She says to me, so she is our subject. To whom she is saying? To me, so me is object. Okay, and what is 1, 2, 3? 1 is first person, 2 is second person, and 3 is third person. First person, second person, third person. Now what are first persons? The person who is speaking, that is first person. Like I am speaking now, I is first person. If more than one is there, we, me, my, anything related to I, we, that is first person. Second person, who is listening. Okay, for example, I am speaking and you are listening, so you and yours, that are second persons. Third person, who are sitting far away and about whom we are talking. We are talking about whom. For example, we are talking about your friend, he, she. If more are there, they. If any name is given, okay, he, she, it, name, they, his, her, their, them, these all are third persons. Now how to change it, how to use the formula? SON by 1, 2, 3. First person is changed into subject, second person is changed into object, and third person no change. Okay, first person is changed into subject. See this example, I is which person? First person. Okay, and first person, see the formula, is changed into subject. What is subject? She. So in place of I, what we will write? She. Okay, now am is only used with I, we can't use am with she. With she, what is used is, so she is busy. So this was all about the persons rule. Okay, how to change the persons. Now see, there are some other rules, but these rules we have to use, we have to change in case of said. When reported verb is given in past, then the tense will also change. And if reported verb is present, we will not change the tense. For example, here it's given tells, says. Okay, says is present. So if this is in present, reported speech will also remain present. Okay, we will not change it. Am was given, so we wrote is. This is also present, so this is also present. No need to change, no need to convert it into past. But if the reported verb is said, then present will be changed into past. Keep in mind, present changes into past and past changes into past participle. Okay, this is a basic rule you have to keep in mind. So in short, we can say if there is isma, you will change it into was were. If there is has have, change it into had. If there is do does, you will change it to did. If there is first form, change into second form. Okay, so there are 4 rules, but only one way is there to learn it. First form becomes second form. Is are first form, second forms are was were. Has is first form, second form is had. Do is first form, second form is did. And obviously first form will be changed into second form. Okay, so just keep in mind, first form is changed into second form. Now if second form of verb is given, if first changes into second, then obviously second will be changed into third. Okay, first becomes second, second becomes third. But it's a rule in English grammar, in English language, we can't use third form alone. It needs a helping verb, and for this topic, which helping verb will use had. So whenever second form is given, always change it into had plus third form. So second form is changed into had plus third form. Did is also a second form, change it into had plus third form. Was were are also changed into had plus be. Okay, be is a first form, second form is was, third form is been. Okay, and what is the meaning of be? Is mr. Okay, is mr basically are categorized in be. Be, was, been. Been is the third form. We can't use it alone, so we'll use had here. Okay, so was were is changed into had been. If had plus third form is given, what to do? I told you first becomes second and second becomes third. After third there is no form of verb, so third form no change, no need to change it. Had plus been, no change. Okay, other basic rules are will, shall is changed into would, can becomes could, may becomes might, must, had to, this, that, here, there, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, now becomes then, tonight becomes that night, and ago, before. Okay, let's see one example now. I said to him, comma inverted comma start, she will go for a walk. Okay, full stop comma close. I said to is changed into told. Okay, him. In place of comma inverted comma that, she. Which person is she? First, second or third? Third person. Okay, and according to formula SON by 1 to 3, third person no change, so she will remain same. Will is changed into would go for a walk. And one thing don't forget, go will not be changed into went, it will remain go only. If it comes alone, then we not then we'll change go into went. Okay, like I go for a walk or she goes for a walk, then we'll change it into went. Will with models will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, must, might, and with do, does, did, always first form is used, so keep it first form only. Go will remain go. See one more example now. She said to me, I do not tell a lie. Okay, she. Said to will be changed into told. Me, in place of comma inverted comma that. I. Which person is I? First person. And according to formula SON by 1 to 3, first person is changed into subject. Subject is she, so write she. Do is changed into did not tell a lie. And one thing more, if here is says to, then what to do? Says to will be changed into tells, and do will remain do. Why? Because reported verb is given in present, so this will also remain present. So this was all about direct and indirect speech, and these are the rules of assertive sentence. Okay, simple sentences, affirmative and negative. Okay, keep all the rules in mind.